Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make caramel dip. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of granulated sugar and 1/4 cup of water. Also, have ready 1/2 cup of heavy cream, 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter, and a small pinch of salt. Having everything measured out beforehand makes the process much smoother and more enjoyable. Now, let's start cooking our caramel base. In a heavy-bottomed saucepan, combine the 1 cup of granulated sugar and 1/4 cup of water. Stir this mixture gently over medium heat until all the sugar completely dissolves. Once dissolved, stop stirring and allow the syrup to boil. Watch it carefully until it transforms into a beautiful, rich amber color. This next step requires a bit of caution. Once your sugar mixture is amber, carefully and slowly pour in the warm 1/2 cup of heavy cream. Be aware that it will bubble up vigorously. Immediately stir in the 4 tablespoons of butter and the pinch of salt until everything is fully melted and smooth. Continue cooking for just 1 to 2 minutes more, ensuring a perfect consistency. Your delicious homemade caramel dip is almost ready. Remove the saucepan from the heat and let the caramel cool down for a few minutes. It will thicken as it cools. Once it's slightly cooled, carefully pour the warm, luscious dip into your favorite serving bowl. It's absolutely perfect for dipping apple slices, pretzels, or even drizzling over ice cream. Enjoy your sweet creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.